As Deming, the godfather of the quality revolution, put it, the object of any component is to contribute its best to the system, not to maximize its own production. Some components may operate at the loss themselves in order to optimize the whole system. Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. The theory of constraints, TOC, is really quite simple. It says that for all systems, the rate at which value is created is governed by very few limiting factors, often just one. There's another profound and counterintuitive consequence that few people consider. If we agree there is a constraint, then those people or machines that are not the constraint will, by definition, have capacity to spare. When you know where the constraint is at any given moment, you also know where you have reserve capacity. You then also know that you must act by that priority, and not the one that would have you keeping all your resources as busy as they could be. The priority activity in any given system of work is the one that addresses the constraint. With a relentless focus on the constraint as a priority, you are, by definition, doing all that you can to optimize overall system performance. Thus, every effort should be made to deploy non-constrained resources in a systematic way to focus on supporting the prime resource assigned to the work on the activity prioritized by virtue of it being the constraint. My course for system thinkers explores how to embed the idea and realize the benefits of acting by priority as a foundation process for high-performance teams. Using the 5 Commandments methodically will optimize value delivered from constraints and contribute significantly to consistent high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.